to the Industry of Things World 2015 here in Berlin. It's my pleasure to be here with Jens Wiegand from Kontron. Hello Jens, thanks for coming to us. How is Kontron involved in the Internet of Things?
So we need to think about Kontron as a manufacturer, we design and manufacture system solutions for customers in the avionics market, in the medical markets, in the industrial markets, and so forth. And what we see for years, the amount of questions or requirements in terms of connectivity or manageability or security is growing. And all that is at the inner point, where you want to tap data on convey data to drive new use cases. Yeah. So we're in the midst, so to say, of IoT.
You had a presentation yesterday.
Yes.
Thanks for the insights. Your talk focused on the concept of security in the IoT field. Mm-hmm. Could you tell us a bit more about it or elaborate on the security aspects?
Well, what we discussed yesterday was to increase the awareness about security. Yeah. Now, one thing is security vulnerabilities have grown over the past radically, year by year, year over year. Mm-hmm. And I think what we want to give is increase A, the awareness, but B, also show customers potential solutions, share our experience a bit. So what we've done is discuss as an example also, if you take a pyramid, right, and you think about the top layer and the bottom layer, then we see vulnerabilities coming from legacy technologies. 20 years ago, nobody thought about the SQL database that this could cause maybe a security threat, right? And I think also on the other hand, from the bottom to the top, designers 10, 15 years ago never thought how to connect in a secure way, let's say the factory floor level to the ERP system. Yeah. In this context, we showed also some concepts and framework where you can, so to say, depict certain elements. We're not saying you have to have everything, but start with analysis, see whether you can update your software, and consequently build out your security architecture and awareness.
And will the IoT, from your point of view, enable new business models or even new business applications?
Yes, I think one thing we see is a major trend from device-centric monetization to a more service-centric monetization. In that regard, I think customers talking these days about predictive maintenance, which gives a huge leeway and advantage to save cost and to moderate, so to say, the total cost of ownership. And I think as a next step, analytics will kick in that market segment to get to the self-learning machine and increase productivity. These are the major trends.
What is the biggest opportunity from your point of view that the IoT presents business with today?
At this point in time, customers leveraging IoT concepts, infrastructures to save costs, operational costs, and take some advantages of that. Yeah. It's the intelligence to your remote device. Yeah. Designers are more and more disconnected, right? So you get inside information about deployed devices that allows you to design better, save cost. It's the overall experience in terms of total cost of ownership. Those are the measures. Yeah.
Since you were a speaker at this conference, can we ask for some feedback? How do you like, or what do you think about the conference format so far?
I really appreciate that format of this conference. In contrast, in comparison to other shows I attended over the years, I think what I really liked is that customers and partners, suppliers are getting together. So we get a lot of insight in real problems, not just theoretical discussions what technology could be around or how technology evolves, but there are real facts, real problems on the table and real customers. That's what I like.
Thank you, Jens, for coming here, and enjoy the rest of the conference, and see you soon.
Yeah, I appreciate the invitation. Thank you very much.